Welcome to the Tech Desk of Russ Nikodem from SICK Incorporated. Today we're going to be talking about the MB1. That's a mechanical bolt door latch. And in particular, we want to dive into how it can be used to meet the new ANSI B11.19 standards, which came out at the end of 2019. So let's get into it. So the MB1 is designed to be able to be used with contact and non-contact door switches. You add the door switch to this device. You can use a non-contact switch, which would be like our STR1, or our locking device, which would be like our TR110. This device is designed, this mechanical bolt is designed to protect the actuator on a locking mechanism, so that if you went to close the door and the latch was in the way and it could hit your door switch and it can break. This is designed to protect that latch so it can't get broken. And by doing this, it allows you to get a much higher performance level on your overall safety structure. This device is specifically designed around the new ANSI standards. And you can even get variants that have a catch release button and emergency release, so nobody can be trapped inside the hazardous area. So what makes this device ANSI conformant? It's not possible to lock someone inside the hazardous area. It's designed with guides to protect the actuator of the safety switch, and it comes with emergency release mechanisms, all items to help it meet the new ANSI standard. So with that, let's go to a quick video from my German coworker, Stefan.
The next feature is the lock with padlock receptacle. This is useful for, let's say, maintenance reasons. If somebody wants to get inside the machine to repair something, that person want to make sure that nobody is relocking the bolt and restarting the machine. So what to do? The bolt has to be opened and then just rotate this padlock receptacle out by 90 degrees. You can see it on the back side. The mechanical part is perfectly blocking the bolt and is preventing it from being closed again. This mechanical lock can be secured by putting a padlock, for instance, which can be a very huge one for sure. Or if more than just one person wants to enter the area, you can use that simple lockout tagout task, which will do the job as well. Even this is not that big. The lock cannot be closed. So this is still blocking good enough. The padlock receptacle is latched in that 90-degree position as well as in the completely closed position, which is the only position where you can close the bolt again. In that closed position, it is not possible to lock the bolt, which is one important factor to fulfill the new ANSI B11.19 standard. Looking at the simpler devices on the market, representing more or less all the competitor devices, they usually have that hole in the front of the bolt. This is preventing the device from being closed as well, but if there is someone inside you just cannot see anymore, you can simply lock the bolt and trap that person inside without an option to escape and restart the machine. This is not allowed anymore due to the new ANSI B11.19 standard.